How to track recipes in Myfitnesspal. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To track your recipes in your application, first and foremost go ahead and open up your Myfitnesspal. Make sure it is up to date and you are logged into your application. Now right here, you will see a search bar. You have to go ahead and tap on the search bar option. Select the option of My Recipes from here. You will find various of recipes that you have logged. Select any. You will find the calorie of your recipe, also the carbs, fat and protein. If you want to know more about the nutrient content, you can scroll down and tap on the drop down icon. You will find the detailed information about the nutrient value of your meal. And that is how you can easily track your recipes in Myfitnesspal. If you face any of the bug issue in your application, go ahead and follow this simple step. Exit from your application and press and hold onto it. Head to App Info, force stop your application and go to Storage and Cache. Clear up the cache. Next, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Myfitnesspal. Tap on it. And if there is an update, leave it for an update. Final step is to go ahead and check out your settings. Scroll down, tap on System Update and make sure that it is up to date. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection. Switch it to your cellular data if your Wi-Fi is acting super slow. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.